Wow. Hard to believe it's been 14 years. Right, Blanchy?
So here's a little ode to some of the heroes coming back. The ones who started at Burning Crusade. I will give their stories a whack. The last time these heroes were here, they charged right through the portal, then carved through all our enemies to the point they seemed immortal. Yeah, they got stomped by the Fell Reaver, the 20-story brute, but that won't stop me from giving the horn a toot. Our heroes have returned. So let us begin with this hunter here, an epic adventurer who took out that troll Zul'jin and that dragon killer Gru. And this is back in classic with all those brutal fights, especially Kalthas, who caused 1,000 wipes.
That was merely a setback.
Our heroes have returned. Now he was a hero to the Blood Elves and she to the New Draenei. She drove us all crazy with that phoenix mount she'd fly. And she'd storm the Black Temple, not a single soul was spared. And she showed the mighty Illidan it was he who was not prepared.
I can't believe it's her.
With everybody coming back, preparing adventures anew, our heroes have a chance to change the stories as they choose, whether they become explorers or masters of the raid. All hail every legend of the Burning Crusade. All hail every legend of the Burning Crusade.